Design is intelligence made visible. That's a quote by Alina Wheeler. See, I see a deep connection between creativity and intelligence as well. But what exactly is creativity? So, creativity to me is just a whole mix of imagination, curiosity, and a willingness to pretty much explore the unknown. And that's very scary, trust me. But yet, creativity has been a guiding force in my life. I've been on a long journey using creativity to accomplish a lot of things. And I've been able to go from starting out as a IT and a graphic designer to an art student to advertising and then graphic design. And now I find myself working in blockchain as a UX and product designer. All because of the power of creativity, which honestly I might as well just go and change my name to Aaliyah Creative or Appear Creative. But my journey wasn't so easy. I don't come from much. So I had to use creativity and resourcefulness to accomplish the things I've accomplished. And it's led me to be a guiding force, and now I'm a mentor to, people like me. Being able to use my lived experience of using creativity to just do what you need to do. This journey I'm on is just a journey of exploration, learning, and growth. And it's been a hard journey just being who I am, especially since now I'm in the blockchain space. And at the end of the day, I'm just manifesting the life of my dreams and pushing past my comfort zone, crying while doing it. And it's the source of my magic and what I do. So I look to the future, and when I see the future, I just see endless possibilities of my life and career. So that's me, Aaliyah, aka Appear Creative, the woman of magical creativity.